Today let's talk about the way that you contact the Robinhood support. If you're facing any issues or have any queries, you can directly contact the support team. You can directly contact the support section of Robinhood. To do that, head over to the person icon on the bottom right of the screen. Once you're inside of this section, tap on the three lines on the top left, and here you'll see the section of Robinhood support. You can just tap on this option. Now there are two sections to this. Either you can head over to the help center, which lets you see a bunch of queries, which is the FAQ page, and you can find answers to your queries. If you don't want that and if you want to chat, tap on the contact support button and it's going to open up a chat with the virtual assistant of Robinhood. You can now ask any questions to it or talk about any issues that you might be having. So that's the way that you contact Robinhood support. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one.